if you are here to look for ways to find legitimate, real ways to make money from home, I'm going to reveal to you my most recent researched 7 work-at-home jobs for stay-at-home moms and students that are hiring right now. So if you're ready to make some money and you're ready to find something that really, really is a good position for you to make money from home from, stay tuned as I dive into these 7 work-at-home jobs that are hiring right now. Okay, we got a big list, so let's get into the first one where work at home jobs that for stay-at-home moms and students. So students meaning someone over 16 years of age. So perfect for good for people that are around the home, students during the summertime, stay-at-home moms that are always at home. That job never ever that ends, right? So the first company that we are talking about is Lionbridge. And Lionbridge is always a great place to find work at home online job opportunities because they always have a lot of different work from home. If you can get the good jobs and the good work. I've done a lot of work here in the past at Lionbridge, so I strongly suggest that you check it out. And the information, the link to the site, because they have a different job site, is found in the show notes in the description box. In fact, all of the work from home jobs that are hiring right now that you could be working with and making money at home from the links can be found best in the show notes in the description box below this video. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into Lionbridge. So you can learn about the company, obviously, smart thing to do. Do the About Us just to understand the general concept of the types of jobs that they have. They're always in the hunt for the best people to work with them, and particularly remote jobs or full-time jobs or part-time jobs from home. They have 47 different offices that they hire from in different regions and different areas around the world. So you can the easiest way is up at the top here. It says join our team. Just click on that. It will bring you to the main site page, the current job openings, and you would be able to just click on any job area because they have so many different jobs. They have corporate associates, right from corporate associates to interpreters. So basically, when you're interpreting different languages and transcribing it down into English or a different work. And then, of course, they have the big section where you're probably most interested with. They are home-based workers and university students, college students. You'll want to check on that for all of the different work that they have there because we have so many things to go through today and giving you some good stuff. And hopefully I become a valuable resource for you finding and ways and learning the ways to make money from home and connecting you with places that will hire you if you're looking for the job type things to work from home. We won't go through those because we have other sites that we have to cover as well, but you know where to find them now as I showed you here on this video. The next company I wanted to talk to you about is CrowdStrike. After a lot of research, the companies that I'm listing here today, the websites that I'm going to go through here with you today are all currently hiring right now as the dating and the uploading of this video. CrowdStrike is a good company to work for. I haven't personally worked for it myself, but I have 2 colleagues that work, other mothers that work with this company just recently. So from their testament, I've also suggested that you go look for a place to work and make money from home or a remote location upon your choice, obviously. The best way to find their jobs is to go down to the bottom in the footer. It says join our team. You can just click on that. It will take you to a page with the open positions that are available, but you might want to go through, who works with them and what they do and things like that. But you want to click on view open positions. As you'll see, they have worldwide opportunities for stay-at-home moms and students, or anybody really that really wants to work from home. And they have them in different categories in different areas, but they'll also down the right-hand side, if you notice, they have the area. This does not mean, because these are all work and home-based positions. It just means that that's the office that you'd be actually reporting to. So it doesn't mean that you have to be in that region. As you can see, there's United Kingdom, there's the United States, California, there's India, Canada. There's a lot of different places where you could be looking for different types of jobs that maybe fit in more to the criteria or what you wish to do. But there's an unlimited amount of jobs here at CrowdStrike that you could be working with. The next company is a company that I currently work with, and I recommend a lot of my viewers from my channel go check out. Even if you're looking for something else, I always strongly recommend this company, UBAtracers.com, because they are hiring all the time and they pay more than $30 an hour, and you get paid every single Friday. How do I know that? Because I've been working with them since 2017, and week in and week out I get paid by PayPal or direct deposit or company check, however you want to do. And basically the work that you're going to be doing there, it is a Denver, Colorado company based out of Denver, Colorado, and basically all you're doing is they are a unclaimed bank asset broker, which means that they locate out of the $60 billion that is unclaimed sitting in government institutions that was regulated from the banks to turn it over to them year in and year out of dormant accounts. And you can go through the news and learn more about it if that industry, if you are unfamiliar with the $60 billion and over 20 million accounts that you can be going through to process for this company in their UBA news section. But basically all you're doing is searching the government databases, finding accounts for more than $250 for them. You just follow the steps on their website, obviously, and you get 10% of that unclaimed balance back in conjunction with UBA Tracers. So if you find an account for $1,000, which could take you 30 minutes to find, you're going to earn $100 of that. So you get 10% no matter what it is, even if it's some of the biggest accounts that I process myself are over $10,000. So you get $1,000 for about an hour's of work. Other times, most of the time, I'm processing accounts from $300 to $1,000. So you're going to make $30, anywhere to $100 in about an hour's of work. So a really good opportunity at UBAtracers.com. Again, the link is found in the footer below. Also, another good thing about this company is they've added a really good, robust FAQ section to answer all the questions before you start working with them if you choose to do that. Moving on to the next work-at-home job for moms, students, or anybody really, is ClickWorker. And the link, of course, is in the show notes below this video in the description box. This is another good company that I've done a lot of work with over the years. And it comes in spurts. When I have free time, I generally will head over to ClickWorker because they have a lot of different work and different job that you can be doing there as well. All of these companies that I'm showing you on this video, of course, are free to join. They're real legitimate online jobs, so they don't cost you money to join them or anything like that. Obviously, you need to have your own computer and your own device and things like that that you have to pay for yourself. But outside of that, there's no fee to join these companies. Just click on Earn Money as a ClickWorker at ClickWorker. After you click the link in the message below, it will show you that you can download their app to start working with them, or and the other types of jobs that they have down here as well before you actually sign up. You creations of text, you do copy editing, you can do proofreading with them, you can do web research, which is similar to that UBA Tracer one. You can do online surveys, you can do app testing, you do audio and video jobs, which a lot of that is transcription, and you can do mystery shopping and mystery photography in your local area. So it's a good place to find work as well, is at ClickWorker. So head over there, and then you would just create your profile so that they know what kind of jobs to be able to offer you, and then once they are offered to you, you go and apply for them, and you start working. The next company is, I believe I say this right, Zeitcaster. I have done work for them, not for a while, but I have done work for them in the past. But I do have a lot of people that write in or comment on these videos that get work at Zeitcaster as well, just like I did. And it is a company worth checking into because it's a really good company to work for. They have a lot of different benefits. They're working with them. The work that you could be doing with them is very, very flexible. To find the work at home jobs, you scroll to the bottom of the page, and where it says we're hiring, right there, as you see in the middle of the screen at the bottom, you just click on we're hiring, and it will take you into the more depth information of what they stand for, who they want on their crew. That's what they refer to them as, Zeitcaster. You'd be a Zeit crew member, and you just fill out some information on the application. They just want to know more about what you are, but you're going to be looking at data entry jobs there. Like, for instance, this one is hiring out of their main office in Massachusetts, but you do not have to be there. The job generally, from my experience and what they're stating on the website still, is about 5 to 20 hours a week. So if you could spare 5 to 20 hours a week as a stay-at-home mom, a work from home entrepreneur, or a student going to college, university, or in your later years of high school, Zeitcaster is a good place to go, and there's a link in the description box. They pay $15 an hour or more. I've made more than $15 an hour as you build up your credentials. They pay you higher. I've made as high as $18.50, I believe, was the last time that I contracted a job with them, and got paid to do that a few months ago. The next company that you could be working for right now that offers lots of different positions and types of areas is Micro Workers. And when you go to their site by clicking the link in the description box below, it'll, on their main page, it will take you to all the different types of jobs. There's data mining, segmented data analysis, there's surveys, there's data entry. You can do a lot of different virtual assistant type work as well. There's transcription work. So those of you that just like to, you can work in the confines of data entry, typing, those kind of things are available as well. And they do have extensive amounts of different technical and engineering type jobs as well for those of you. This is a worldwide company, so you can apply to them from anywhere in the world. They do have different social media management jobs as well from time to time that they offer, but it is a super good resource for you to check out. Micro Workers. You just register, and we'll just ask you basic information to get started with them, obviously, and then they set a profile up to the types of jobs that are available to you, and you will literally get dozens and dozens and dozens of jobs available every single day that you could sign up for, work for, or apply for. Okay, now moving on, because we got lots to cover, is I hope you guys are enjoying this information and saving you some time and becoming a valuable resource, and you having to research a lot. These companies have been approved by myself, of course, by Sandy, and I would like to offer these to you rather than you have to go through the trial and error. So all of the companies that I'm mentioning on this video obviously have been approved. They have either been worked on or with by myself, which I've got paid, and they are really legit, or someone close to me, a family member, an associate of mine that has worked for them. Okay, so you have that rest assurance. When you check out the next one, which is VIP Desk or VIP Desk Connect, or whatever way you want to say it, they have a good variety of different jobs as well, and a lot of it is help desk, some customer care, there's social support jobs, and there is as well consulting jobs, as you can see a little bit about the company there. But if you click on careers and you go to, you can either apply right now, which will give a profile, which I suggest you do. It will give you different, they'll notify you when there's job openings, or you can go to the current openings, like I've just clicked on here right now. It'll give you a view of their team kind of thing, and the current jobs that are available right now are some customer care jobs in 21 different locations, so a lot of different, doesn't mean that you're going to work in the location. VIP Desk Connect is a remote type job, work from home job as well. And like I said, you could also sign up for the job alerts if there is no job there that is in their current openings that would fit you in working from home. The next company I want to cover that you could work on as a student or a stay-at-home mom, or someone that has a lot of time on their hands, maybe a more mature senior type person who wants to supplement their income, you might want to check out WebFX, and it's in the correct link to the job sites is in the description box in the show notes below. This is a very good company to work for. My husband's brother worked for this company for a couple of years, and they are very, 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 very knowledgeable in, well, I guess not knowledgeable, but they're very, very apt to working with work at home and remote type people. So I would strongly suggest if you're in this locale, what they do is they do offer digital marketing online. So it would be more geared to those of you that are in the background of customer retention, marketing, advertising, creativeness, things like that. If you have any of those in you, or as from time to time they have other jobs available as well, I would strongly suggest heading over there. Click on the bottom footer in the job section. As you can see right now, they have 30 plus jobs available right now. You could be working on some of their companies that they work with, Netflix, a lot of Fortune 500 companies, and you can check the views. Now, when you check on the job openings, the ones that came up here right now are not the only ones that are available. As you see the tabs here that I'm going across that are turning orange, those are the different vocals where the types of jobs. So there's social media jobs, there's earned media and copy jobs, that is written copy, there's sales and strategy jobs, there's accounting, finance type jobs, and there's interactive type jobs as well, and then of course the direct marketing information jobs as well. So you can go through all those. There's always 30 plus jobs available here. I've checked back time to time, and these jobs do update and change quite often, so you may want to do that as well. Hopefully you've enjoyed the information that I've given you today. To receive more updated, researched, and the approved work from home, make money online type opportunities, subscribe to this channel as I go upload videos frequently, not only numerous times a week, but a lot of times 6, 7, 8 videos per week as I construct my resource. So if you're looking for an easy way to find opportunities that will pay you or that you can use to make money from home, subscribe to this channel. Check off the little bell. Give me a thumbs up if you're finding this is a good, valuable resource to finding opportunities that you may want to look at to work from home or make money online with. It's a great way to find extra income, is just shortcutting it through this channel. So subscribe, check the bell off. You'll get notifications every time that I upload a new video, and you can choose to watch that video or not. And on the screen right now are other videos that I have done that I felt that you might be interested in, or that might complement what this video has done for you today. Thanks again for watching. This is Sandy Sauvé, the Freelance Marketing Mama. I will be back with more real soon.